Tape can work in a pinch, but commercial caulk caps generally preserve tube freshness and save time. When choosing between tape and commercial caulk, caps focus on airtightness, convenience, and cost per use. Tape such as painter's tape or duct tape can temporarily seal a nozzle by wrapping and pressing the tail of the caulk back into the tip to block air. That method is inexpensive and widely available, but it relies on a perfect seal and careful application, which most people do not maintain between uses. Commercial caulk caps are molded to fit common cartridge tips or come with adjustable inserts, so they create a repeatable seal without fiddling each time. For longer storage or when working across many days, a cap reduces chance of skinning and clogging, which means less nozzle cutting and less product waste. Combine both methods by fitting a cap and then wrapping a short piece of tape over the junction for travel or rough storage to get redundancy without much extra time. Common mistakes include trusting tape alone for long-term storage, which often fails because adhesive loses tack or the seal gaps. Fix that by using tape only for same day or short term and pairing with a cap for longer gaps. Another issue is buying the wrong cap size, which leaves a loose fit and allows air in. Measure the nozzle diameter and choose a cap described for that size, or select an adjustable cap designed for sealed fit. A third problem is cutting the nozzle too large after resealing, which lets caulk cure inside the tube. Keep cuts conservative, test flow on scrap, and store with the original small opening sealed, so you minimize recutting. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners compare approaches and find local contractors who are familiar with practical shop habits like tube preservation. Our site helps contractors find work and hosts a discussion community where pros and homeowners exchange tips and product experiences.